Oh, this is stressful, man, so stressful. But we're gonna finish off cleaning the dam today. I'm gonna take the 13 down and get out whatever reeds or weeds I can get in this area. I actually went down the other day to test it. Should be good. I'm just stressed because I'm worried about killing the fish and destroying their habitat, because one does like live in the middle there. There's like a little area where every time I walk in the dam I see it. So I'm worried about that. I'm worried about the oil leaking on the dam, which this machine doesn't leak as much oil, but the other one did, and I'm scared about contaminating it. There's a lot, but instead of procrastinating and I always keep like delaying it. I'm like, I'll do it tomorrow, but today I'm just gonna do it and then see what happens. So let's get into it. Get a bit of a before. It needs to be done though, like you barely can use the dam. Like I want to eventually come down here and be able to swim in this area. So it sort of needs to go. Not all of it, some. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a scrape, just so it's not so rough. Nice. Here we go. So my first plan is to go from here, clean out the first like 2 meters, just stockpile it to my right. I haven't really got a plan. That's why I've been putting it off for so long, because I'm like, what's my plan? I guess this is my plan. Let's go. First scoop out. I'm going to put it all here so I can grab it from the top. Oh man, it's muddy. Stinks as well. Axel was rolling in this the other day as well. I kind of feel... Keep going, go. Ew. Bad for taking his little enclosure. Oh man, look how much mud there is. The angle is crazy. I know it's not going to roll, but it just gives you that illusion. Yeah, look at that. That's a slop. This gives me an idea of if I can actually track in there. Because if I take away all the slop, it's got a rock base, like a real mudstone rock base, this dam. You have the terminology. Oh dude. Get here. Yeah, it's on the rocks. Okay. It gives me a bit. Oh my shit, is that a yabby? Looks massive. Alright, so I'm going to scrape this out now. That should give me an idea of what I'm dealing with. It's underneath. It looks like rock. It's definitely rock. Yeah, it's rock. That's mad. That's like the mudstone, so I'll be able to track into that. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, it's all mudstone. So hard. That's so good. Alright. I didn't think it was going to be like this. So I'll just pile it up here and then go back and forth a few times pulling it up. Look how much drop there is. It's like honestly about a foot of mud. Yeah, it's just rocky as. It needed it. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Fuck, dude. Sketchy as. I know you want to come down a bit more. We'll come down. Give me a sec. Let's just keep going. Let's go here. All it is just reeds on the rocks. Right here, I can reach. So I'm going to keep like a strip in the middle of it. So I'm not going to take every weed out, just a few. Nice. It needed this. Like I'm kind of great. I feel happy that I'm doing it. Now that I see, it just feels whack, man. Couldn't swim. No. Hope the fish moved. He should have, because he moved when I used to walk in there. He'd like to run away from me. Oh god, this is a heavy one. Oh, I just let him water. There's a soccer ball. There's one of heaps of shit in here. Uh-oh. I probably should have kept that up so that I didn't let the water in. Oh my god, it's a bit fucking hairy. Should I go down now actually? But it's a rock. Unless you're just sliding down. Get it bottom out at some point. And that should be it. We're in. Maybe we've got a little bit more. I just don't want to overcommit. Okay. More level. Cool. Wow, I'll be able to get so much more out than I thought. The dam's this deep. I remember because we couldn't dig it deeper when we first dug it. I was just ripping it. And I didn't really want to put the jackhammer in because it affects the dam wall. The plan would be just to get all these out and stacked up just today. Maybe dredge this little bit here. Hoping what happens when you dump the weeds and the mud into it, it like filters all the slurry out. Man, I was so scared to do this. I literally, for the last like week, I've been like putting it off just because I've just been scared to make a mess, because I always have a feeling every time I touch something I make it into a mess. and then I want it to be green and fixed the next day. I don't really just enjoy the journey, I guess. I guess that's what we're doing now. We're going to enjoy doing this. I'm hoping this wall here stops all the murkiness going to the other side. That'd be cool. Here and all the mud. Yeah, there's about a foot of mud there as well. But the fires are going crazy. Look, I don't really have a plan, I guess. But I know like the base is pretty good around this area here. So I guess I'm going to track through it. Until I can feel like it's not good. Think about here. Oh yeah, look at all this slurry I can pull out. It's toxic matter. I don't even know where to pile this one. I'll go here. I just don't want to destroy my path getting out, because then we're going to have issues. But I would like to I'd like to dredge it the best I could actually, that's another thing. I guess maybe I'll wait, let it settle for a bit to see what the hell the depth is, and then come back to it. I know right there's good. I can almost pull out all those things. It's just rock. Get out there, but let's test it. It's us one. It's rock. Definitely is. I hope it is. I hope that's rock. Should be good. I can grab most of these. Yeah, that's the deep end. I can feel it. That's deep as. I'll just throw these behind me. Oh, bugs on me. And then I'll come back and move them out. Dude. I can't even, let me just go grab my camera. I think this is a good shot. I'm gonna have to walk in. There's a dam pump hose there. I gotta remember so I don't hit it. I feel like that's something I'll hit. The end of the dam is right there, at the deep end. So I'm not going to go any further. I don't want to push my luck. I didn't expect to get this far. I thought we were going to be stuck where we were. We're in the dam. We're actually in the dam. Oh dude, I'm proper sweating in here. Like I'm scared, like I'm worried for the excavator. I'm like, I don't want to put her through this stress. Like what if something goes wrong and I'm in the dam? That would be the worst place, I reckon. I want to suss where it drops off. That's rock. Dude, I could probably get to here. Fuck, man. I feel bad for doing this, but it's what needs to be done. I feel so bad for it. I just lost my croc. Oh, she's in there deep. Oh. Okay, this is fucked, this right? So muddy, so silty. Testing, dude, this doesn't do any justice of how steep it is. Watch me. It's getting a bit big. Oh God, it's a bit. How you going? Doesn't even want a hand. No, we'll get a hand though. Looking at it now, I know it looks messy, but it needed to be done. Now, like, I actually went through and I dredged it. Like, I scraped what I could. I cleaned up all the loose dirt along this edge. I didn't go near the dam pump pipe. I left that side because I think it was not worth the risk. Like, maybe another year I'll do it. But you can see the pile of the mud still there. I got to grab all that. Now that it settles, I'll be able to see the high spots. And then I'll obviously come back in again and pull it all back. But for now, I just want to pull that pile out and just sort of start the rehab process. It's a little bit of back and forth. I came back down, pushing the pile up. I'm using the digging bucket. It's actually a lot easier because it grabs like the roots and everything. See, there's the fish. Yellow belly. Oh, dude, what the? Hang on, you gotta go back to clear stuff in it. You can just see him. Oh, he's gone now. Oh, he's gone. It's 2 months later, and this is what the dam looks like. Look at it. It looks sick right now. Dude, now when I look back on those other videos of it with like the reeds and stuff, I'm like, dude, it looked crap. Like, this is awesome. Yeah. Thought I had to show you.